in this world, you will never truly be happy. No matter what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives you, you will never truly be content.
This place is designed to break your heart. It was designed that way. If you're looking to be happy in the dunya, you're in the wrong place.
You're not the servant of fashion, or money, or fame, or beauty, or power, or position. You are the slave of Allah. Allah has chosen you from amongst the billions of human beings. Allah chose you and blessed you with Islam.
Pain and suffering only becomes negative if it creates a barrier between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But it becomes positive. Pain becomes positive, a motivation for you when it brings you back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.